Hey, I'm going to show you how to make a cute and cozy outfit for a doll. The first part of it is going to be a tank top, so I'm going to use some t-shirt fabric. This is actually just from an old t-shirt, and it's also already cut up from using it for other stuff, but it's soft and stretchy, so that's how it should be. Cut out a rectangle of this fabric that is 4.5 inches by 2.5. I'm going to turn this so that it's long ways, and then fold it in half like this. Now I'm going to take a pencil and draw like half moon shapes on the sides. These are going to be the sleeves. You can have to use a ruler to make sure that they're level. I'm also going to add a shape near the top. Now I'm going to cut out the ones on the sides because these are going to be the sleeves, but don't cut out the top part yet. I'm going to make sure that you cut through the whole thing with both sides. Now I'm going to unfold it. Now I'm kind of going to complete this shape and make it an oval. And then draw a line down the center of the back. I'm going to cut up this line and then cut out this oval shape. It should look something like this. Now it's time to sew it. I'm going to fold over the bottom of the front part and sew along this part. You can use a sewing machine or do it by hand, but I prefer a sewing machine because it makes it go faster. If you are using a sewing machine, you want to switch out the thread to the color of your fabric. Now on the side where the sleeves are going to be, I'm going to fold over this part and sew along it, so that it looks like a nice clean edge. And do the same thing on the other side. Now I fold over the inside of the back piece, and I'm going to also fold over along the collar and sew all the way around. Now we come around the outside of the entire thing. I'm going to fold the back piece so that the edge lines up with the edge of the front on both pieces. Now I'm going to sew along underneath the sleeves on both sides. Turn it inside out. Now I cut 2 little pieces of Velcro, and I'm going to sew one on the outside of the back and the other one on the inside. So it's something like this. I printed out a logo on iron-on paper and then put it on the shirt, but if you don't have iron-on paper, you can also just use regular paper with the logo. Or you don't have to have a logo at all, it's up to you. To go with this, let's make a pleated tennis skirt. I'm going to cut out an 8-inch by 3.5-inch rectangle. 8 inches seems a little long, but you're going to have to fold it up a lot to get the pleats of the skirt. Now I'm going to fold over the pieces like this, and then sew up here to keep this pleat in place. But before doing this, also hem along the bottom. Once the entire piece of fabric has pleats that are sewn into place, I cut out another long rectangle, fold it in half, and then line up the edge with the top edge of the skirt part, and then sew along there. Now I'm going to take an iron and iron down the pleats so they'll stay in place. Now I'm going to hand sew some snaps onto the end so that it can clasp onto the doll. Now that I've sewed on the snaps, I'm going to fold it in half and sew from the bottom up to right before where the snaps are, to make a tennis skirt for a doll. Oh, and a side note, the more pleats that you add, the more realistic it's going to look. You can use a variety of different fabrics to make it look the way you want it to. Here's how it looks on a doll as an ensemble. I actually think I really like how it pairs together. If you have a suggestion for something that you want me to make, then just comment down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell us what you thought and what kind of videos you want to see. Also follow us on Instagram. See you next time! Hey, Sabine. Hey, Rhonda. What's in here? I don't know. Ooh. Can I have it? Sure, just leave me alone.
I should probably be able to enjoy about 2 hours before she notices this is gone.
Hey, what happened to that purse? Rhonda. She keeps trying to con me out of things while I'm doing something else.
Hey, Sabine, I'm going somewhere. Not with my purse.
Dang it.